Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the obvious connections, because loose cables cause most glitches. Firmly reseat HDMI or display port and power. Then reboot. Fully shut down, wait 10-15 seconds, and power back on to clear temporary firmware states. If the problem persists, connect an external monitor or plug this display into another computer to determine whether the issue is the GPU, the cable, or the panel. This step narrows your next moves and avoids unnecessary part swaps. Once you know the fault domain, address drivers and signals, because corrupted drivers often create tearing or artifacts. Boot into safe mode or open Device Manager to rollback or install the latest GPU driver. Make sure the driver matches your GPU model. Then set resolution and refresh rate to the panel's native specs. Mismatched settings can produce jitter. Also monitor GPU temperature and power delivery. Overheating or unstable voltage causes visual corruption, so note temps and test under light. Now finish with hardware-level interventions. Power off and reseat the GPU, try different ports and swap cable types. DisplayPort versus HDMI can behave differently with extenders or adapters. If you have integrated graphics, test that to confirm a discrete GPU fault and ensure the PSU cables are secure because power issues manifest as glitches. If problems persist, perform the monitor's factory reset, record repeatable symptoms, and then decide on service or replacement. If it still fails, the log speeds up a repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.